Hello everyone. A cool way to factorize 12x squared plus 17x plus 6. When we have to factorize this kind of expression, when the leading coefficient is not 1, in this case 12. Follow me as we solve this together using a simple method. This method may not have been taught in schools. So please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up if you have not subscribed. Thank you. The first thing we will do is to multiply 12 and 6, that is 12 times 6, and this is 72. And our new expression becomes x to the power of 2 plus 17x plus 72. Now we are still going to factor this. To do this, we have x plus, close the bracket, open the bracket again, x plus. And to find out which two numbers are needed to complete the factorization, these two numbers, when they are multiplied, should give us 72. And when they are added, definitely should give us 17. And these numbers can only be factors of 72. And the factors of 72 are 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 6 times 12, and of course 8 times 9. All these numbers multiply to give 72, but only 8 times 9 can be added to give us 17. So our factors therefore becomes 8 and 9. So the next step is to divide by the 12 we previously multiplied with. That is over 12 and over 12. If we simplify this very one, it becomes x plus 2 over 3, x plus 3 over 4, and x times 3, that is 3x plus 2, and here 4x plus 3, and we are fine. And of course, if we open these two brackets by multiplication, we will derive back our original equation. That is, this time this eventually becomes 12x to the power of 2 plus 17x plus 6. So this is our answer. Similarly, the leading coefficient here is 6, is not 1. So we can therefore multiply 6 and 4. 6 times 4, which is equals to 24. And our new expression becomes x to the power of 2 minus 5x minus 24. And the factors of 24 is 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Each of these, when multiplied, will give us 24. But in addition, we can only derive minus 5 from only 3 and 8. So the bracket x plus and x minus. We introduce this negative sign because the coefficient of x is minus 5. Unlike the previous example, if you derive any value from this video, please kindly subscribe so that more persons can benefit from it. Thank you. Here the signs are different. The two numbers are minus 24 and minus 5. Plus 3 plus minus 8 definitely will be minus 5. So to fill this bracket, here will be 3, and of course here is 8. At the next step, we are going to divide by 6, so that we have over 6 over 6. And if we simplify this, it becomes x plus 1 over 2 and x minus 4 over 3. So that if you do this very well, we have 2x plus 1, 3x minus 4. And this is our value. If you multiply the bracket, we're going to get back the original equation. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Bye-bye.